In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a webcam to OBS Studio. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using OBS on, whether you're on Windows 10, 11, or a Mac as well. So all you want to go ahead and do is open up your OBS application. Then you're going to see whatever scene that you want to be in. Then you're going to see sources as well. This is that important part. What I want to do is press add source, and I'm going to see a lot of options here. I want to go ahead and click on video capture device like so. You can name it anything you want. I'm just going to name it that. Now all I want to do is choose my camera. So all I want to go ahead and do for my instance is choose Cam Link 4K, and then I can configure the video if I want to, anything like that. So now all I'm going to do is press OK, and then I should see the webcam here. Mine isn't currently on right now, which is why it's showing like that. But what I could also go ahead and do is press that and then just choose anything else as an example as well, like Elgato 4KX, Camlink, or OBS virtual camera. So we'll just use this as an example, but when your camera is here, then you can go ahead and resize it and really just do whatever you want to it, and then you'll be good to go. And we'll just put it like this. Let's say you want to stream with it, go like that, and you can resize it by holding Shift 2. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.